Integration scenarios in software refer to the various ways in which distinct systems, applications, services, or components interact and share data to function as a cohesive unit. In modern software development, especially in enterprise environments, systems are rarely isolated. They often need to exchange information in real time or at scheduled intervals to support business processes. For instance, a customer placing an order on an e-commerce platform triggers a chain of integrations. The order data might be sent to a warehouse management system for fulfillment, a payment service for transaction processing, a CRM system to update customer records, and a logistics provider for delivery tracking. Each of these interactions is an example of an integration scenario. A well-defined integration scenario outlines several key components. First, it identifies the source system where the data originates and the target system where the data needs to be delivered. Next, it specifies the integration method, which could be through REST or SOAP APIs, file-based transfers such as CSV over SFTP, messaging queues like Kafka or RabbitMQ, or middleware tools like MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, or Apache Camel. The scenario also defines the trigger for the integration, which could be an event like a user clicking a button, a system-generated alert, or a scheduled batch job. The data format plays a crucial role too, as systems need to agree on a common structure, whether it's JSON, XML, or a flat file, to interpret the information correctly. Additionally, proper error handling mechanisms must be in place to manage failures gracefully, such as retry logic, alerting, and logging. There are several common types of integration scenarios. Point-to-point integration is the simplest, where two systems communicate directly with each other. However, as the number of systems grows, this approach becomes difficult to scale and maintain. Data synchronization is a scenario where two or more systems maintain consistent data by regularly updating one another. Event-driven integrations operate in real time, where one system emits an event, for example, a new user registration, and other systems respond accordingly, for example, sending a welcome email or creating a profile in a different system. Batch integrations involve transferring large volumes of data at specific intervals, which is common in reporting backups and financial reconciliation. More complex environments might use middleware or integration platforms, which act as intermediaries that transform, route, and orchestrate data between systems. Finally, third-party integration scenarios involve external APIs or services, such as integrating with cloud services like AWS, social media platforms, or financial institutions. These scenarios are often mapped out during the early stages of system architecture planning, especially when designing microservices, implementing ERP systems, or building digital ecosystems. They help ensure that each component of the software landscape can operate in harmony, support end-to-end business workflows, and scale efficiently as the organization grows. In short, integration scenarios are essential for designing robust, interoperable, and future-proof software systems.